In order to harmoniously integrate with the surrounding environment, the Las Vizcachas house is nestled within a segment of the landscape, highlighting the structural elements that delineate the boundary between the man-made and the inherited by nature. The land is abundant in wild vegetation and a series of clusters of rocks that touch tangentially, creating voids of different sizes and shapes between them. This image was the inspiration for architect Juan Pablo Ureta's design, who envisioned those rocks transformed into inhabitable volumes and the voids into different courtyards that are part of the house. This is the second home for the owner and his daughter. This determined a specific program segmented into 3 blocks. Access is defined by a visible concrete wall and a ramp. Upon crossing this area, it is possible to see the central courtyard, the core of the house. This entire space is traversed by a 21-meter-long laminated wood beam that not only supports the entire roof structure of the main volume, but also frames this small section of the landscape. Walkways connect the volumes and configure different terraces. Here, the infinity pool does not extend towards the sea, but towards the courtyard, emphasizing and valuing this space. To the right is the larger block, and to the left is the block intended for the owner's daughter's bedroom and a guest room. Both blocks touch tangentially, but it's only possible to move from one to the other through the terraces. The concrete ellipse functions as a fireplace. A slightly turned third volume was built to accommodate a small gym. The largest block houses the master bedroom with a private bathroom, as well as the integrated open-concept living room, dining room, and kitchen. The house is built on a concrete slab that rises from the ground. Additionally, prefabricated laminated wood was extensively used. The main structure is made of laminated pine, while the exterior cladding is ribbed Rowley wood. The interiors are clad in Coigüe wood. Although formally a beach house, it deviates from this typology by turning inward. It establishes visual relationships with both the sea and the surrounding nature, but does not fully open to its natural environment. This creates a different experience, not directly tied to sitting by the seashore, but offering the possibility to enjoy the beach. Nature is a gift and something that has always been there. And in this setting, the Las Vizcachas house seeks to provide a space that conveys a certain sense of refuge amidst the vast and uncontained expanse that is the ocean.